Good morning, dear students. After a very long time, we are meeting on this new platform of teaching. You know very well your subject physics, which is very interesting subject, and from that subject we will teach the topic that is the oscillation. You are very familiar with this subject, that is oscillation, and very you have very known examples, daily examples, that is the saving machine, up and down and needles of saving machine, to and fro motion, that is oscillation. That is in our daily life we are coming with the very much more example, very example, that are the in term of the oscillation. The oscillation, in this chapter we have studied the displacement, velocity and acceleration. The displacement, velocity and acceleration are very well known phenomena, as you know very well what is velocity, what is displacement and what is acceleration. But velocity, displacement and acceleration are varying with some function that is called as the harmonic function, which are in the form of the sine and the cosine waveforms. So before study that, we have to study the motion, that is a periodic motion. What is the periodic motion? The motion which repeats itself in a after a regular interval of time is called as the periodic motion. That is, for example, if we see the simple pendulum, for example the simple pendulum, what happened in simple pendulum, there is suppose one of the mean position and bob is attached to the one end of the string. Suppose this is the string, one end of the string is attached to this rigid support and other end of the string is attached to the bob. When we apply the force to this bob will be oscillate, that is in term of the to and fro movement. If for that we have to come across this the extreme position, this have two extreme position. So firstly we have to come with bob with one of extreme position. When the bob moves to and fro, it means it start from some extreme position and goes toward the another extreme position, that is it will oscillate. So when the bob start motion from one extreme position to the another extreme position, it completes the half oscillation, and when it comes to original position, then again it complete half oscillation, it means the one oscillation. So the movement repeats itself, that is the motion repeats itself after a regular interval of time is called as the periodic motion. For example, we study the simple pendulum, or also the when the earth is revolving around the sun, or when moon is revolving around the earth. That are the basic examples of the periodic motion. Now what is the time period? When a body performing periodic motion, it goes on repeating the same set of movements, as we see earlier in the example of simple pendulum. What happens there? It goes from one extreme position to another, then another extreme position to the original extreme position. This set of movement will be repeated. Then the time interval for such one set of movement, that is from it goes from one extreme position to another and it again come back to starting position, it is one set of movement. So time duration for this one set of movement is called as the periodic time or the time period. Now as the name of our chapter is the oscillation, so we go with the term that is oscillatory motion. So oscillatory motion is what? If a body which is in the periodic motion moves along the same path, that is to and fro about the mean position, is said to be oscillatory or the vibratory motion. As see, if the piece of wood is floating on the surface of the water, if it should be pushed, then what happened? That wooden block will be goes inside the liquid surface and again it will be come back. That is again also the vibratory motion. So vibratory motion is nothing but what? The to and fro motion about some fixed position or equilibrium position, or we can say that is the mean position. Now harmonic motion, simple harmonic motion, as we say, the oscillatory motion which obeys what? The harmonic function. The oscillatory motion which obeys the harmonic function, that is harmonic function are what? Sine or the cosine form. Cosine function, that is called as what? The simple harmonic motion.